The AK-47 ruled the past. The AK-74 modernized the fight. But when war moved into the dark, this rifle answered. Meet the AK-74N. The AK-74N isn't about reinventing the AK, it's about owning the night. Chambered in 5.45 by 39, it delivers low recoil, higher velocity, and better control than older 7.62 rifles. That means faster target reacquisition and tighter bursts when seconds matter. What makes the AK-74N special is the side-mounted optics rail, designed specifically for night vision and low-light optics. This wasn't an upgrade added later. It was built from modern warfare from the start. The classic wooden furniture keeps the rifle balanced and durable even in extreme cold. No cracking, no warping, just dependable ergonomics in brutal conditions. Its distinctive muzzle brake cuts muzzle climb aggressively, keeping automatic fire manageable even during sustained engagements. Accuracy improved, control refined, reliability untouched. Mud, sand, snow, or total neglect, the AK-74N functions like it always has. Simple, violent, and unstoppable. This rifle doesn't chase trends. It doesn't need rails everywhere or futuristic styling. It wins by working when others fail. When daylight disappears and chaos takes over, the AK-74N proves one truth. Modern combat isn't about looking advanced. It's about surviving the dark.